What is going on, guys? The weather is finally nice out today. We have the Siren F5S2 out and we're going to do a little practicing in the field. So let's get into it. Alright, so I noticed I wasn't flying very much in proximity, and that was because I obviously did not want to crash into the snow at all. So I was just kind of flying up more and above, and I kind of lost like a little bit of smoothness on the sticks, you can see right there. And big part of that was because my fingers were cold, and yeah, just a bunch of excuses. So we're just gonna get out today, just gonna do a little old-fashioned practice session. I have, I think, 4 packs charged up because I did warm up earlier before this. But yeah, we will just fly around heading the same line, and we'll just work more and more on improving it. Also, new feature coming soon. Alright, so let's get into the line. So I'm just going to fly through without adding the tricks in, just to show you. But ideally I want to come through here, power loop the 2 trees, and what I developed the habit of doing is after I'd come out of the power loop, I would fly right over the pool. Instead, what I want to do is come out of the power loop, come down and around, hit something here, then hit the little tree power loop, come down, again keeping it in proximity, fly through here, then go under here, which I stopped doing, back around, through the scraggle, come out, hit something there, maybe hit something here, and then come out and do it again. So the line will develop as I go, but the main thing is closer to the ground and just kind of get comfortable flying again, because I kind of developed some bad habits that I want to knock. So let's start working on it. Speed isn't the most important thing here, just consistency and being smooth on the sticks as I fly a little faster. There is a little bit of prop wash, and that is because these props are very mangled. So yeah, that's the line, and yeah, I'm just building on it. So one of the habits that I noticed that I picked up that I'm trying to kill is a lot of like little micro adjustments. I also want to work on that. A lot of my power loops haven't been as clean because I haven't been entering them straight. So I know this might look boring for you guys, just following the same line over and over again, but I just hope to show some progression while doing it. Progression in the sense of flying close to the ground, making it a little more interesting, because to be honest, nobody wants to see you just power looping, not power looping, but just doing flips in the open air. Your flight footage looks a lot more entertaining when you're actually, you know, fly obstacles. If there's nothing around, fly a little closer to the ground. And like I said, I kind of lost that because of the snow, but we're working on getting comfortable doing that again now. I think it's also the wind that's messing up that power loop. I feel like there I could stay lower and then come in instead of coming up through the grass as high. I'm not used to that branch being there. Came up out of nowhere. As I develop this line, I would like to add a couple more tricks in, but for right now, I'm not really about the tricks. It's about crashing. After this pack, I'm going to pull that branch out of there because that is getting in the way. Quad's dead.
Telemetry lost.
Oh, no.
Telemetry recovered.